Ever heard of a company rising from the ashes like a phoenix? In the wild world of crypto, that's exactly what bitwala did. They went from European darling to bankruptcy filing, only to relaunch with renewed vigor. But who's the mastermind behind this comeback? Let's find out. Building context. Back in 2015, bitwala burst onto the scene as a haven for crypto enthusiasts in Europe. They offered a user-friendly platform to buy, sell, and manage crypto holdings. Fast forward to 2021, they rebranded as Nuri, expanding their offerings beyond crypto. But then came the crypto winter of 2022. The market crashed, and Nuri, unfortunately, got caught in the avalanche. Their relationship with the bankrupt crypto lender Celsius only added fuel to the fire. Enter Dennis Daber. This is where our story takes a turn. In the midst of Nuri's troubles, a name emerged, Dennis Daber. Not much was known about him publicly, but what we did know was that he saw potential in Nuri, even in its broken state. Who is Dennis Daber? Dennis isn't your typical crypto bro. His background is actually in mobile internet strategies and business development. He's got a solid track record, having worked for companies like Blue Lion Mobile and Coperion. While his crypto experience might not have been front and center before Nuri, his business acumen certainly was. The Nuri takeover and bitwala's rebirth. So, what did Dennis see in Nuri? It seems he recognized a strong foundation, a loyal user base, and a clear vision for crypto adoption in Europe. He wasn't afraid to take a chance. Teaming up with Jan Goslicki, Nuri's co-founder, and other investors, Dennis led a daring move. They acquired the assets of Nuri and relaunched the platform under its original name, bitwala. A return to roots. The relaunched bitwala went back to its crypto-centric roots. They streamlined their offerings, focusing on making it easier than ever for Europeans to buy, sell, and manage their crypto assets. This laser focus resonated with users. Combined with Dennis' leadership and strategic vision, bitwala started to gain traction again. Challenges and looking ahead. Of course, the road to crypto glory isn't paved with limbos. Dennis himself admits to having zero confidence in a full-blown crypto market recovery. But he believes in bitwala's core mission, empowering Europeans with financial freedom through crypto. bitwala's future with Dennis at the helm. So, what's next for bitwala under Dennis' leadership? They've recently secured funding from the Blockchain Founders Fund, which will undoubtedly fuel their growth. They're also constantly innovating, looking for ways to make the crypto experience even smoother for their users. Dennis, the leader bitwala needed. Dennis Daber might not have been a household name in the crypto world before Nuri, but his leadership has been exactly what bitwala needed. His business expertise, combined with his belief in bitwala's vision, has positioned the company for a strong comeback. bitwala's story is a testament to perseverance and the power of a strong leader. With Dennis Daber at the helm, bitwala is well on its way to reclaiming its position as a leader in European crypto adoption. Call to action. Are you a European crypto enthusiast? Curious about bitwala? Head over to their website and see what they're all about. But before you do, let us know in the comments below, what are your thoughts on bitwala's comeback? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and stay informed about the ever-evolving world of crypto.